Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola, bom dia. Okay, tenho uma sessão de 20 euros, 20 euros session guys. A 10 euro ticket. 10 euro tickets. It's called extra matching numbers. If we uncover the symbol money bag, we win 2 times the price shown. The clover is a win all. Se encontrar o símbolo saco de dinero, ganha a quantia correspondente a 2 vezes o valor. Ok? Se encontrar o símbolo tribo, ganha todos os 20 prêmios indicados. This is the new version, guys. Nova versão. Okay? And of course, the matching numbers. I use this random red coin. M2M. Grab and Gumball, give this to me. We are looking for 48, 14, 15, 24, 41 in Portuguese números. And they give me 18, 39, 29, 21, 38, 48, 45, 28, oh Lord, 38, 28, 18. I need 48 and they don't give me. 40, 42, 32. What the hell is this? 22. Okay, I can read from the down, guys. Need to be careful when scratching. 13, 46, 17, 37, 11, 44, 36, no 30s, 49, 48, 33. Oh, Lord mercy, is not a winner. Difficult to win in this ticket, guys. Ticket number 15. We're looking for 11, 31, 29, 46, 38. Portuguese numbers, guys. 24. Ay! Winner, 38. At least give me more than 10 euro. 25. 33. At least I found a match, guys. Not 0. 41. 17. 37. 26. 29. 22. 35. 45, 46, 42, 40. Oh, give me all the 40s when I don't need it. Oh, Lord, look at this. 45, 42, 44, 47. Look at this. 44, 42, 45, 49. All the 40s in one line. 43. Jesus. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 is here. 47. I want to say the bad words for St. Casa, but it's better not or else I get violation. 43, 42, 44, 45, 37, 48, 46, I need 46 is not here. 34, 15, 23. Ay, Lord, give me all the 40s that I don't need. Okay, I find 38. How much? Ay, Lord mercy. This is a sure, of course. 10 euro sure is a winner, no doubt. Okay, so I got the minimum 10 euro. At least give me 20 euros in the casa. Oh Lord, like, what the hell is this? Okay, I got 10 euro out of 20 euro session, guys. Like, all my sessions this month are all donation. Ay, donation. Todos os dias. Okay, so I got 10 euro as expected. I need 46, but give me 42, 43, 44, 45. All the 40s. But 46 no. Except 20 46, of course. If you give 46, at least give me 20, but no. Okay. The same shit. Okay. I got violation and he's talking nonsense. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.